Are you paying for Leonardo AI when there might be a way use premium feature for free? If you want to create AI image or design, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get Leonardo AI premium feature using official free option. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
𝐂𝐭 is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit 𝐂𝐭 today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I had already created one account, Leonardo.ai, and here you can see my plan, essential plan, and the total credit 8,500. So I will again create a new account for you. First of all, go to this link. I will give this link in this video description. So after that, click on this try Canva business, and by this way you will get this plan. Here you can see, go to leonardo.com/pricing, soul essential plan. You will get this essential plan for 1 month. So simply go to that link and click on this continue with email. Then you can use your Gmail, disposable email, or Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, any email. Then click on this continue. You can type here your name, click on continue. Then you will receive a OTP in your Gmail address. Here you can see. So simply paste it. Now here you can see try Canva business for free 1 month and due today $0. So click on next. Now we need to add a card detail, and no need to add font in your card. So after add your card detail, you will successfully log in your Canva business account. So simply choose anything. Here you can see, and now here you can see Canva create is back. Again go to same link and click on this get started with Leonardo.ai. In a first step, we click on this try Canva business and created Canva business trial account for 30 days. Then in a second step, we need to create and Leonardo.ai account. So click on second button. Here you can see Leonardo.ai would like to access your Canva account. Click on this allow button simply. Here you can see also email address, and successfully our Canva account linked with Leonardo.ai. Here you can see agree. Let's go, and you will see the subscription. Let's go. Here you can see my plan essential, and in a corner notification also your account status has been upgraded to essential. And here you can see the my token 8,500. By this I can create image, video, blueprint, or anything, or I can upscale also any image. If you don't have a card or anything, then I'll suggest you to for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in the video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐚 YouTube channel for more simple, honest, and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolistar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.